This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's get into it. So as you can see, pretty well packaged just like all of DJI's products. Now this is the standard version, not the Creator Combo. And I must say, I've been pretty keen to get my hands on one of these. So in the box, the main unit and accessories are all shipped in the carry pouch already. You also get a quick start guide and some safety guidelines, as well as a pretty cool decal if you're into that. In the pouch, you get a USB-C to USB-C 3.1 cable, which will easily handle the DJI claimed 800 megabits per second high-speed data transfer. You also get a wrist lanyard so you can strap it to you for extra safety if you're worried about dropping it. You also get a clip-on 1/4-inch thread adapter so you got ample amount of choice in regards to mounting it with your different camera accessories. And finally, you get the unit itself. And man, this thing is tiny. Only 190 grams. Super light, but still feels solid. Definitely something you can just throw into your pocket and go. Up front, you got a 2-inch screen. And it's pretty bright too. Up to 1000 nits peak brightness. So even outdoors on a bright sunny day, you're actually going to see what you're doing. They've also added a new customization button, so you can set this thing up how you want. So think quick access to your settings, which is pretty good. Now this is where it gets interesting. You've got a new 1-inch CMOS sensor in here. That's huge for a camera this size. And it's pushing 14 stops of dynamic range, and 2 more stops for low light. So straight out the box, you're getting a lot of detail to work with. And real quick, hit that like button. It really helps support this channel. I'm out here buying this gear myself, just to test it and show you guys what it's like. Photos have had a bump too, now shooting up to 37 megapixels. So yeah, not just a video camera anymore. Video-wise, you've got 4K 60 frames per second in horizontal and 3K 60 frames per second for vertical. So whether you're shooting YouTube or Reels, you're covered. You've also got standard recording and D-Log 10-bit. So if you like color grading, you've got the flexibility straight away. And yeah, 240 frames per second slow motion, and they've also improved the active track. So this should be better at locking onto subjects and following you around. Perfect if you film in solo. Storage is actually pretty solid on this. You've got 107 gigabytes built in, so you can start shooting straight away. And you can expand it with a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. Battery life, you get 1545 milliamp hours. DJI claims up to 240 minutes of recording. And it supports fast charging as well, so you won't be waiting around too long. You've also got USB 3.1, with transfer speeds up to 800 megabits per second. So pulling footage off this should be pretty quick. So yeah, first impressions, super compact and packed with features. I'll get this out for a proper test soon. POV shots, low light, the whole lot. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.